Good evening, everyone. So, the next student whom I'm going to invite over here on stage is actually an artist at heart. He dabbles in poetry. He's a very, very gifted person in drawing. But when it comes to academics, he's even better. He cleared level 1 in Olympiads in maths and chemistry. For chemistry, he cleared round 2 and was selected in top 35 students across India for chemistry and attended the chemistry camp. Then when it comes to JEE mains, his rank was an amazing 1401 and he improved that rank significantly to 485 in JEE Advance. So please welcome with a very, very big round of applause, Ojas Joshi.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, sir, for the wonderful introduction. So, I am Ojas Joshi, and today, when I am here, I remember a year ago I was here in the same auditorium. I was sitting in the audience for the felicitation function of the C23 batch, and it feels really great for me to be here on the stage right now. So, I started my JEE preparation 2 years ago, and it has been a long journey till the final JEE Advanced exam. This journey has not been easy, and I really wouldn't have been here if not for the constant support, motivation and guidance of my parents. They have always motivated me when I felt low, which has, to be honest, been a lot of times, and they have always supported me to make my own choices. And so, first of all, I take this opportunity to thank my Ayya and Baba for constantly supporting me, for always being with me and for having faith in me. Also, a very big thank you to my dear Ajji for always loving me and caring for me. Just like my parents, all my teachers here at BT have also been with me ever since I joined BT a year ago. All of them are really wonderful teachers and they have taught all their subjects extremely well. But I feel that all of them are more than just teachers for us. They have been our gurus as well, because I feel that apart from the academics, all of us have learned a lot of things from them. Preparing for JEE is not only about developing your skills in PCM, but it is also about facing challenges, learning to face difficulties, struggling with your own expectations, forgetting about your bad performances and focusing on your next targets, and so much more. And I feel all of these things which I learned during my journey will be very helpful for me in the future, and I will always remember the advice that my teachers gave to me in this regard. Also, I would like to thank the entire BT admin team for taking care that we had the best possible learning experience at BT. Lastly, I would like to tell some things to the C25 and C26 students over here. Always be confident, believe in yourself and never underestimate your own capabilities, because I personally made this mistake during my JEE preparation and I hope that you don't repeat the same mistake again. Now, to end with, I would like to say a few lines to express my gratitude towards the BT team. IITचे हे स्वप्न अचाट, अवघड होती त्याची वाट. IITचे हे स्वप्न अचाट, अवघड होती त्याची वाट, पार करण्यास मला ती दिली BTनी पक्की साथ. थँक्यू.